This is Michael from SoftwareOasis.com. We're doing a 30-day challenge covering 90 top software solutions for growing and managing your business online. In each 180-second video, you'll get 6 quick actionable tips. So let's get started with T for TextCortex. Tailor artificial intelligence with TextCortex to your unique style and needs. Create meticulously crafted content from your unique inputs and style to revolutionize how you create, communicate, and collaborate. I'm going to ask it to write an article on butterflies. Have a natural conversation with ZenoChat to get ideas, feedback, and more in seconds. Use TextCortex to quickly produce SEO-friendly website copy, rewrite and refine copy that converts visitors into purchasers. Tip number 2, change the tone of your text with the AI tone changer. Select cheerful, urgent, professional, casual, and more. Tip number 3, paraphrase text. Instantly paraphrase text in 25 different languages with the paraphrase tool. It's great for avoiding plagiarism and keeping your content unique. Tip number 4, use Summarizer to get key points from long articles such as research papers, legal documents, and more in 25 different languages and adjust the summary length. This is great for email productivity and create email templates to streamline common emails like outreach emails and more. Use the autocomplete feature to quickly generate emails from bullet points. Tip 5, rewrite and enhance your text quality with the rewrite option. Choose from fluent, creative, simple, formal, and more. Generate powerful opening lines and hooks for your articles. Tip 6, integrate with websites. Use the browser extension on 4,000 plus websites. Write better content anywhere on the internet. And bonus tip number 7, use the expander in TextCortex to add relevant words, phrases, examples, and explanations to lengthen paragraphs. Review the expanded paragraphs to ensure they flow well, and edit and refine from there. Get a free demo of TextCortex by clicking the link below this video or going to softwareoasis.com/TextCortex. Like and subscribe to our channel to see if we make our challenge goal. Over the next 30 days, we plan to cover 6 actionable tips on 90 different software solutions. If you found our tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new user or 1 million subscribers, your help is appreciated.